girl Janae here. Welcome back to my channel, The Nay Way, where we do things my way. So today I will be reviewing and installing a wig that I got from Yolova hair. Talk about what came inside this box here. So the wig came inside of this bag, this nice satin bag, which is also good to store your wig. Wig caps, lashes, and tweezers because I'm always losing my lashes. So the wig I received is a 22-inch body wave, 13x6 frontal, 180% density, and I already bleached the knots on this wig, plucked the hairline, and I straightened it just a little bit just so I could add some layers into the wig for the style I'm going with today. All of the information about this wig will be in the description box, and I also have a 15% discount code, and you will be able to find that in the description box as well, and I also place it somewhere on the screen here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into installing this wig. So today I want to do like some curtain bangs. That's why I already had cut some layers into the wig with some nice little curls going, some nice little loose little curls. So I already did my ball cap method, and before like I did anything to the wig, I did smell it. There was like no smell, so that's great. And it was super soft, and it still is, even though even after I washed it and conditioned it. So yeah, so since I cut it, this hair is probably about an 18-inch maybe. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut around my ears, make sure I get a perfect fit. Alright, so the glue I'm going to be using is Hold Me Down Adhesive by Erica J. Love this glue, and this is the watermelon scent, and it smells so good. And I don't want to bring the glue down too far because I feel like I don't have that much forehead space, so I don't want to cover up too much of my forehead, but I'm also applying some glue onto the cap as well. When I'm applying lace glue for my wigs, I don't use a blow dryer to speed up the glue process. I just let it air dry. Sometimes, like when I'm applying my wigs, I add about 3 to 4 coats of glue. So this is usually how I apply my glue. I'm not gonna, go back and show you the other processes of me applying two other layers of glue. It's pointless. So once that is finished, I will come back and start laying the wig down. So what I've learned is not to place your lace exactly where the glue has stopped. You want to place it in front of it just a little bit. It's like a centimeter in front. You do not want to press it down until you are sure about the placement. And I'm taking my comb and I'm pressing the lace in. Just like that. I'm combing it, and I'm taking this and mashing it into the lace. So I'm just gonna take my elastic band and tie it down for about between 5 to 10 minutes. Actually, I'm just gonna tie it down and I'm going to start curling this hair. I don't know what size this is. I think this is an 1.5 inch barrel. I'm not gonna sit here and let you guys see me curl this whole wig. I'll just show you a couple curls. Alright, so I got all of this hair curled up. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away this lace. For one, I can't see. Okay, that's better. And this lace is really light, so I'm gonna have to go on top of the lace and add some foundation on it just to blend, but as you can see, it's coming together. So all of the areas that's not glued down all the way, we're just going to go and tackle that. This is the sponge I was using to add foundation onto my lace underneath. So I'm not adding any more product. I'm just going to go ahead and press that in just like that. And as you can see, that already done melted that. So just wait until we add the band. Look at these layers. This is my first time cutting layers into a wig, so I didn't want to do it on camera and mess up. I took my time. Shout out to Yolova Hair for reaching out to me to do this review for you guys. I love the hair. I love how the install came out. Like, I'm so happy, especially with the first time being of me cutting layers into hair. But I love it. And as you see, like the shine that I have, the luster to the wig. I did not add any products, like no oil. I usually add this oil in. I did not this time, and it looks beautiful. Only product I added was the wax stick up here and hairspray here, but other than that, I'm done, baby. Comment, like, and share this video with your friends, family, sister, brother, whoever. Go ahead. All the information about this hair will be in the description box. Don't forget to check out that discount code to get money off from your purchase with Yolova hair. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.